Meyiwa u baleseriwile a Dlawa endlwini ya ka vakheli Khumalo eFosloras eRandeboxa. Endzhaku ka vulavisisi byo leha na ku hlwela ku tengiwa ka nandzu lowu se a ku fanele ku ya emahlweni mixo wa namuntlha.
Ngicabanga ukuthi it's a relief to us as a family ukuthi namhlanje iqala zokuqala ukuthethwa, so we are hoping ukuthi uma singenela ngaphakathi sizokwazi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani.
As far as I'm concerned, the police have a very good idea on who the mastermind is, and I'm sure that if the mastermind is not added to the indictment, that there'll be other indictments in future.
Hambiswiritano Gqwetha ya muhehliwa wa vuntlhanu va byele khoto leswaku mfumo wu palixe switatimende ku sale kwalomu ka mavhiki mambirhi leswaku ku tengiwa ka nandzu ku sungula.
By the conduct of the state to reveal such a crucial statement at an 11th hour of the trial. And I'll further submit, my lord, that conduct of the state on its own has violated a constitutional right of the accused, especially accused number 5, to a fair trial.
Mfumo wu vula leswaku ku hlwela ku palixa switatimende a swi endleriwa ku tiyisisa vuhlayiseki bya timbhoni leti nga ku chaveni.
As recent as last week, the witnesses repeated the fact that they fear for their safety. And the reason, my lord, why we withheld those statements was to put those witnesses in the witness protection program.
Mavanyisi u vuye a nyika xileriso lexi landzelaka.
This case is postponed with all the accused in custody. It is postponed in order to allow the legal representatives to consult with their clients. For purposes of this postponement, the case shall be postponed with accused number 1 held at Moda B prison, with accused number 2 at Khosi Mampuru prison, accused number 3 at Khosi Mampuru prison, accused number 4 at Leukop prison, and accused number 5 at Leukop prison.
Ku tengiwa ka nandzu ku languteriwa ku ya emahlweni mundzuku.